Hello guys, welcome to agriculture tutorials. Today I am discussing about agriculture extension bits. Extension word used for the first time in the year 1873. Father of extension education James Stewart. Father of extension education in India K.N. Singh. Model village given by Dylan Hamilton 1903. Rural Reconstruction Institute started by Mahatma Gandhi. Name Shantiniketan 1921. Marthanam project was given by Spencer Hatch 1921. Gurugan project was given by F.L. Brain 1921. Sevagram project was given by Mahatma Gandhi 1929. Indian Village Service was given by A.T. Mochar and B.N. Gupta. Firka Development Scheme was given by Tanguturi Prakasham 1946. Mazdoor Manzil was given by S.K. Day 1947. Growmore Food Campaign was given by year 1948. Bengal famine occurs in 1943. Etawah Pilot Project. Etawah Pilot Project was started by Albert Mayer 1948. Community Development Project CDP was started in the year 1952. Growmore Food Campaign Inquiry Committee was founded year 1952. National Extension Service 1953. NES Panchayat Raj was started 1957-58. First state to adopt Panchayat Raj is Rajasthan, Nagaur district. 2nd October 1959. IADP, also called as Package Program, started in 1960. IAAP 1964. ICDP 1964, Yielding Variety Program and Multiple Cropping Program and Administrative Reforms Commission all occurs in 1966. 1966. Yielding Variety Program, Multiple Cropping Program and Administrative Reforms Commission 1966. Small Farmers Development Agency SFDA MFAL Marginal Farmers Agriculture and Agricultural Labor Program started and Drought Prone Area Program started in the year 1970. SFDA MFAL DPAP all are started in the year 1970. Mini Kit Program for Rice 1971. Minimum Needs Program 1972. Training and Visit Program 1974. KVK Krishi Vignani Kendras, also called as Farm Science Centers, was recommended by Mohan Singh Mehta Committee. Established at Tamil Nadu Agriculture University at Pondicherry in 1974. Credit for success of KVK goes to Chandrika Prasad Yadav. Command Area Development Program 1974. Integrated Rural Development Program IRDP 1979. TRISEM Training Rural Youth for Self-Employment Program was started in year 1979. National Rural Employment Program 1980. National Agriculture Research Project 1980. District Rural Development Agency 1980. DRDA 1980. National Agriculture Extension Project NAEP 1983. Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Program was started in the year 1983. Jawahar Rojgar Yojana JRY started in the year 1989, 28th April. Institute Village Linkage Program IVLP 1994. Mahila Samruddhi Yojana 1993. Prime Minister Rojgar Yojana 1994. National Agricultural Technology Project 1999. Jawahar Gram Samruddhi Yojana 1999. Swarna Jayanti Gram Swaraj Ghar Yojana 1999. Janasri Bima Yojana started in 2000. Pradhan Mantri Jal Samvardhan Yojana started 2002. Vishesh Krishi Upaj Yojana to promote exports, fruits, vegetables and major forest produce started in the year 2004. IRDP, TRISEM, DACRA, SITRA emerged into HGSY. Lab to Land program started in the year 1st June 1979. Department of Agriculture first established in the year 1881. First Irrigation Commission appointment in the year appointed in the year 1901. Famine Commission was first appointed in the year August 1888. Indian Central Sugar Cane Committee 1944. Indian Central Cotton Committee 1921. National Commission of Agriculture was set up in the year 1970 to 76. Imperial Lac Research Institute located at Ranchi in 1925. First 5-year plan started in the year 1951 to 56. Food Corporation of India FCI founded on 14th January 1965. Food Corporation of India 1965. Nationalization of major banks done in 1969. NABARD came into the existence on 12th July 1982. National Agriculture Museum is located at New Delhi. First Bharatiya Mahila Bank was launched in 19th November 2013 Mumbai. Irish potato famine 1845 to 1849. Agriculture Research Service was established by Swamina M.S. Swaminathan in the year 1973. Village Knowledge Center VKC project implemented by M.S. Swaminathan Research Foundation in 1988. First started village at Villanur, Puducherry. First rural youth program started in the year 1920. Sriniketan Indra Mahila Yojana started in 1995. Pilot Project for Tribal Development 1972-73. Antyodaya Yojana 2nd October 1977. National Seed Corporation founded the year 1963. New Delhi. Drought Prone Area Program 1970-71 at Pantnagar. Indian Society of Agronomy General General started in the year 1955. Indian Society of Soil Science started in the year 1934. Thanking you friends, have a nice day. This is most important agriculture related years to remember for all competitive exams, upcoming AO, AEO, all group and all other UPSC and TSPSC and all other state examinations also very most important bits for competitive exams. According to agriculture and other exams also, the schemes years will be asked in every exam at least one or two questions. Thanking you friends, have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.